2016 Honda Accord. Today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs. We're going to go through this really quick. I don't want to make it too long. The tools you're going to need: ratchet, extension, 14 millimeter. You need a 10 millimeter socket. You need a magnet too, and a pick like this to disconnect the coil, ignition coil harness. If you have a drill, use the drill. You don't need to use it. So when we get to the top, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 millimeter bolts. Take those off. Once you take that off, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 wiring harness. So these get brittle, so be careful when you press down on it. But this is why we have this pick right here. So what you want to do is you're gonna pry it up and then press with your other finger here. So you pry it up like this, and then press it down, and then you just push it. So do it to all 4 of them. And then we're gonna remove the 1, 2, 3, 4 10 millimeter bolts so we can take off the ignition coils. We're gonna press down, and then I'm just gonna slowly pry it up like this, like that, and then push it out the way. You can also lift this up like that, so it will give you more room to move that around. These are all pulled out already. Put that aside. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take those bolts. Then we're gonna twist it left to right. Pull up. So we're just gonna place him right here. Then we can go ahead and use our extension with a 14 millimeter socket. That's one. Take out the second one. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that all 4 spark plugs are all the way loose. Then we're gonna use our magnet to get the old spark plugs out. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna take the new spark plug, and we're just gonna slowly drop it like that, and then we're gonna use our socket, kind of guide it in place, and then twist it until you feel it sitting in place. That one's in there. This one, and the 4th one. So we're all just gonna hand tighten it. We're gonna hand tighten it first until you can turn it anymore with your hand, and then we're gonna torque it. So the torque, foot-pounds for this, I think, is between 10 to 16 or 18 pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, just make sure you don't over tighten it or it's not too loose. So we got all 4 spark plugs in there. Now we're gonna tighten it up. So I'm not putting too much pressure in there, but you also don't want it too loose. Alright, all 4 spark plugs are in. I'm gonna go ahead and slide back our ignition coils. Then we're gonna put our bolts back on. Put all 4 bolts back on. Then slide your wiring harness, connect your wiring harness back on. Then put your cover back on and crank up the car. That's it. It's a pretty simple job. If this video helped you guys out, please click on the subscribe button, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Also, it'll help me with the algorithm. Also, if you have any questions, comment below. And I hope this video helped you guys out. And again, thanks for watching.